Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. This is a radio that just came out, and I've been watching it, kind of interested in it. This is the Raddy RF919. I reviewed a couple of their previous radios. This one is quite expensive, though. It's $69, and has a lot of functions. Got some nice displays here. Big display here, an additional display here. The couple of reviews that I've seen, people really liked it, but somebody I really trust, and I'll show you right now, Dan Robinson. He's been reviewing radios for years. He writes a lot of articles. Well, he did an initial review on this radio, and this is the video. I'll try to put a link down in the first comment to this video, and what he points out two major flaws with this radio. The first one, which is very important to me, is it has muting while tuning, and it's really bad. I can't believe that they let their radio get out with that problem. And he honestly reviews this. This is just a quick review. He's going to do more. And he points that out. That, to me, is a killer. I don't like radios that mute when tuning, and especially high-priced radios, $270, and it's got muting with tuning. No, thank you. Hopefully, they will fix that problem, because otherwise the radio looks very, very interesting. So check out his initial review. This is he talks about the two problems that this radio has. And the other one is when you're using single sideband, it's not quite on frequency. To me, that's not a big problem. You can tune it properly, but it won't be on the right frequency as you expect. That's not a problem for me. But muting while scanning, no. Basically what is, as you're turning the dial, it goes mute and you can't hear anything. So you can't hear those weak signals in between the strong signals. But as soon as you stop, it comes back. And this occurs on other radios, but some of the other manufacturers have reduced that effect. Dan says the effect on this radio is really bad. So I'm not going to buy that radio right now until they fix that problem. I want to thank Dan for pointing that out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.